Hey everyone, I'm Josh, a robot repair technician with Misty Robotics. Today I'll be showing you how to replace broken or worn bumpers, arms, and antenna. Timestamps to each one of these parts can be found in the description below. What you'll need for this replacement is a screwdriver, a screw tray, and as always, make sure your Misty is turned off and you're properly grounded. To remove Misty's antenna, simply grab the antenna and pull up. Misty's antenna is attached with magnets, so it will reattach when dropped into place. To remove Misty's front bumpers, place finger into recessed portion at the top of the bumper and pull up. To replace the bumper, take special notice of the bump switch tabs that could get hung on the bumper. It's important to make sure that the bump switch tabs are inside the bumper and not bent or broken to maintain the functionality of the sensor. Once bumper is in position, press straight down until the bumper snaps into place. Test the bumper by performing a few test clicks. To remove Misty's arms, rotate the arms down 90 degrees so that the screw is pointing to the back of the robot. Loosen and remove the screw. It is best to have a magnetic screwdriver to fully remove the screw from the arm. If not, rotating the arm with a hand underneath to catch the screw will also work. Rotate the arm freely about 15 degrees and pull out. To replace the arm, line up the 3 tabs on the arm with the 3 cutouts on the arm housing. It is important to note that the arm will completely seat only when the orientation of the arm is correct. Once the arm is back on the robot, rotate approximately 15 degrees, insert and tighten the screw to fully secure the arm.